Microsoft Excel watch window. Let's say that while I'm entering information down the left side of the sheet, I want to keep this information in view. I can create a watch window to float on top. I'll go to Formula, and in the Formula Auditing group, I'll tap Watch Window, Add Watch, and let's say I want to watch all of these cells. I'll left click in the leftmost cell, and I can use my mouse. Let's move this over a little bit so we can see what we're doing. I can use my mouse, but I'm going to use my right arrow key to move across while I'm holding down Shift, and then I use my down arrow key to move down while I'm holding Shift to select all the cells. And as you can see, they're listed here. I'll tap Add, and now we have a watch window. We can see the name of the book, which is Grades Template, the name of the sheet, which is Grades Templates. I don't have any name ranges, so this is blank. Here's the location of the watch cell. Here's the value that's in the watch cell. And here's the formulas, if there are any, in the watch cell. And this stays floating on top no matter where I move on the sheet. And even if I open a new sheet, it'll still show. And as you can see, my watch window is still there. And this information will update as I update information that belongs in the cells.